Just a one-man girl who's looking for a one-girl man is the kind of girl who matches with my fondest plan. I am not so gentle or so sentimental, but I could be true. I am not a clever lover, but I think I do. In a one-horse town, I want to settle down one day, on a one-way street where both of us could love one way. We could build and strive on, lovingly would thrive on just a simple plan of a one-man girl who's happy with a one-girl man.